Hello, friends, and welcome to the Super Bowl series. The Super Bowl is coming up, and I just wanted to share some quick and fun recipes with you all for some appetizers and munchies that you could serve at your Super Bowl party. We're starting off episode number 1 with braided chicken bakes. And yes, these are exactly like the ones you can get from Costco. You're going to start off by chopping some bacon into tiny pieces and browning it. Once it's crispy, take it out of the pan and set it aside. Season some chicken breast to your liking. Here I'm just using some seasonal and some Bragg's 24 spice. Make sure you get both sides. Now in the same pot with the leftover bacon grease, you're going to sear your chicken for about 7 minutes on each side or until golden brown. I added just a little bit of olive oil to the pan so that the bacon grease doesn't burn out. After you're done cooking your chicken breast, you're going to take it out of the pan and set it aside to rest for 5 minutes. Now, the resting time is incredibly important because if you cut into your chicken too early, it's going to release all of those juices. And we don't want all of those juices in our chicken bake because it could make our dough soggy. After your chicken's been resting for 5 minutes, you're going to go ahead and cut them into tiny little chunks. Drop your chicken chunks in the same bowl that your bacon bits are in and give it a good mix. And then we're going to add as much mozzarella cheese as we want, as much ranch seasoning as we want, and then we're going to add as much Caesar dressing as we want. Once you mix that all together, it should look like a chicken salad, and that's the consistency we're going with. You can go ahead and make your own dough, but for the purpose of making this as easy as possible, I'm going to go ahead and use some pre-made packaged pizza dough. You're going to place all of your stuffing in the center and form it into a log. And now you're going to go ahead and start braiding your pizza dough. Now, if you don't know how to braid your pizza dough, that is okay. You're going to cut 1-inch slits on the side of your dough, and then you're going to overlap it back and forth till it looks like a braid. If this is too difficult, you can just roll it like a burrito. However, this is a lot more appealing for guests. And of course, the most important step is to add our egg wash so that it turns golden brown. I topped it with sesame seeds for aesthetic value, and then once it's baked, we're gonna coat it in some garlic butter. The garlic butter is just chef's kiss and ties it all together.